If you're looking for an infographic design agency, then you've come to the right place. Stand out with our high quality bespoke infographic design services, which include research on the chosen topic, premium stock photos and original design with a 12-day turnaround. Here's a couple of our infographic design frequently asked questions. Are your designs derived from generic infographic templates? Of course not. This is a bespoke service professionally designed with your brand and marketing strategy in mind. We do not use generic infographic templates or follow mediocre low-level design trends. Our designers create infographics which you will be proud to share online. Why is your infographic design service such good value? We utilize the best remote team globally and therefore manage to keep costs down thanks to solid processes and a diverse and efficient skill set without the unnecessary overheads, allowing you to make substantial savings with no detriment to our team's fee or working hours. Check out our digital marketing agency promo, which is a limited time only free online business report to help you get more customers, clients and sales. The real price is $149.99. In human terms, this customized report will find all the problems on your website that are stopping you from increasing and maximizing the amount of customers, clients and sales that your business deserves to be getting. So we'll find all of your online business problems and offer you the solutions. After that, it's up to you with what you do with them. All you have to do is fill in your name, email address and website and you'll get your report. We're here to help, so check out our blog or our services or contact us if you have any digital marketing needs or SEO services that you need implementing.